The following video is a brief demo of the Pacific Pico retrofit power supply installed in a Macintosh 2CI. Pacific Pico is one of the latest entries in our line of replacement power supplies for vintage Apple Macintosh computers. The machine will be outfitted with a Daystar digital Turbo601 accelerator with an OG G1 PowerPC processor running at 100 MHz. This upgrade thrusts the machine into the PowerPC era, which some have argued is a domain where the 2CI has no business. We of course regard that as bloody rubbish. In addition, a Radius Rocket 33 with a 68040 processor running at 33 MHz effectively drops in a self-contained quadra into the machine via a Nubus port. The Radius Precision Color 24XP, a capable discrete graphics card, joins the other two cards to provide the display matrix with higher resolutions. Let's get this little fella plugged in. The power supply features soft start turn on via the keyboard. It also controls the AC pass-through relay to seamlessly provide power to the attached monitor like the original power supply model. As we wait for the boot sequence to complete, I'll mention you may be interested in giving us a follow on our Instagram account at IIci. One of the Apple IIci's codenames was Pacific, which is where the name of the Pacific Pico is derived from. How about that startup speed? In addition to the beefy add-on cards, this machine is booting off of a mechanical hard drive. There we go. The Radius Rocket will run in rocket share mode to allow simultaneous running of the machine within the machine. Let's blast off this rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off. I should note this demo is being recorded during a historic October heat wave in the Silicon Valley. The room temperature is 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and the little fella, Pacific Pico, just keeps on going. The Daystar software for the Turbo601 accelerator comes with a PowerFrax demo application to show its processing prowess. We will run 2 copies of the program, one instance within the RocketShare environment and the other the main machine's environment with the PowerPC 601 processor. Daystar's PowerFrax application generates fractal imagery using the Mandelbrot set. PowerFrax is a FAT binary. That means that it will run as a native PowerPC program on PowerPC processors and as a 68K program on 68K processors. Notice the difference in speed between the two processors and the ability to seamlessly toggle between the two environments. Thank you for watching. There is more in store for this demo of the Pacific Pico in Part 2. where it will take another unexpected turn on its journey before being shipped off to an intrepid customer in Slovenia. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to be informed of future updates.